Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I created all of Life of Palos' cars in Forza. So here is his Ferrari FF, his new one. I love it. It looks amazing. And for all these cars, I try to get as close as possible with the wheels, with the paint, with the wings, with all the whatever. I try to get as close as possible. And making these cars took me a while, so hope you guys like. McLaren 570S is also one of my favorites. Now his Ford Raptor, I believe, there's not one that I could acquire, so this is the closest thing. And the back is a little bit weird and doesn't look like his, so I just decided not to show it and only show the front. Now here is his former Dodge Challenger. This one is 3 years older than his version. And this car was wonderful. I really liked it on his channel. And Life of Palos is probably my favorite car YouTuber, just to throw it out there. And thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the background noise. I don't have a real mic yet. And hope you all stay safe.